Hello and welcome back to Hugo House. Today we'll be taking a look at this adorable dormer loft cottage. It's an 18-foot tiny house on wheels. This tiny house is 8 feet 6 inches wide by 18 feet long and 13 feet 5 inches tall. This tiny home by Molecule Tiny Homes sold for $75,000 with decks, companion studio, and the installation hookups. The front angle view has a fold up the deck in down position. The front view of the tiny house is with the deck down. The kitchen has a 2-burner range, fridge, microwave, and lots of storage. The bathroom has a shower, tub combo, shelves, vanity, and a flush toilet. The kitchen features shelving built into the walls. For the past 12 years, Molecule Tiny Homes has been building and specializing in unique, one-of-a-kind custom-built tiny homes mounted onto flatbed equipment trailers, along with full diversity construction techniques. Whether you need a tiny house, a studio, a hunting cabin building, or a custom shed, they have the skills and the experience to make your vision come true. Their tiny houses are either built following the imagination and the inspiration of the tiny house builders, or the ideas of the client. All features of their tiny homes are fully customizable to perfectly match the dream of the client. All features of their tiny homes are fully customizable to perfectly match the dream of the client. They are a tiny house building company who decide and build tiny houses on flatbed trailers. Their tiny houses are fully customized to suit your lifestyle and needs. They're located in Santa Cruz, California, and the other location is in Chattaroy, Washington. In the tiny house design, the water supply is connected to the tiny house with a garden hose style connection for both ease and simplicity. The water can be supplied through an existing home's water system, a well from a tank, or a cistern. This helps to provide cold water to the tiny house and the on-demand propane water heater. All of the plumbing fixtures in the tiny house are normal, including the flush toilet. The drain sewer for the tiny house is through a 3-inch ABS pipe that can easily be connected to conventional sewer, RV-style holding tank, or septic. The sinks and the tub drains could easily be separated from the main drain to utilize any gray water systems. And when it comes to small houses on wheels, you'll first want to check with your local bylaws to see whether or not it's allowed within your city limits. The local bylaws in an area are typically determined by the city, the county, and the state zoning regulations, along with the building codes. You'll also want to know if the location where you live allows for small houses on wheels in the backyard of an already existing home. Often, the laws for RVs are very similar to small houses on wheels, but you'll want to do your homework first so that you know all the facts. A small house on wheels is great wherever you place it, whether that location is at the lake, a piece of property that you want to spend some more time at, or your backyard. And if you like this video, don't forget to consider dropping us a like. It really helps this channel to grow. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.